I dance. He dances. What? Is he dance more than me? What is this grammar? Stop studying English like a history project. You don't study a bike, you write it. You don't study a conversation, you have one. Today, I'm giving you S.P.E.A.K method to go from silent to fluent. Hi everyone and welcome back to the Random English. Today we are talking about something that I believe is the absolute most effective, fun and natural way to learn English. That is conversation. Now I know what you might be thinking. I need to learn grammar. I need to learn vocabulary. And how can I just talk? And yeah, you're right. Those things are important. But what if I told you that you can learn all of that and much more simply by engaging in real conversation? Well, I'm giving you the method called S.P.E.A.K that I always use and getting better on speak English. And it's not only speak, but also communicate with foreigners and understand what you are talking. Well, if you want to enjoy your conversation, let's take a look at this method. So let's start with the first letter, that is S, small talk. You can start with a simple question like, what did you eat? What do you do? How are you doing? Don't try to figure grammar yet, just relax and enjoy your conversation. And next, the letter P. Partner up. Just act like hello talk, or for your friend to talk with, you need a human mirror to reflect your mistake. Next, E. Errors are okay. If you make zero mistake, you're not learning. Mistake help you learn. A. Active listening. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Listen for the rhythm and the slang that other person use. And the last letter, K. Keep it consistent. 10 minutes of shading every day is better than a 3-hour class once a week. Well, the speak method sounds great, but I know what you're thinking. Your heart might be still race when you actually have to open your mouth, but trust me, I get it. I'm a student too, and I'm still on this journey with you. You know, traditional language learning means textbooks, memorization, and grammar drills. And hey, they help a little bit, really. But let's be honest, it's often fascinating and boring. Plus, it doesn't prepare you for the real conversation with slang, idioms, and natural flow. In conversation, you will get instant feedback. If you make a mistake, the author will give you a gentle correction for you. It's learning by doing in a supportive environment. This is the big part, and listen carefully. Conversation opens up for a whole new world of friendship, opportunity, experience, and perspective. It makes a whole learning process much richer and more rewarding. I have a challenge for you. I want you to find one person, can be your friend, your boyfriend, girlfriend, a language partner, or even an AI voice assistant. Have a 5-minute conversation, just 5 minutes, and stay consistent with that. Your effort will show a great result. Remember the speak methods. If you can remember that, you can master English. Well, which letter do you find the hardest? Let me know in the comments. Last but not least, download my conversation starter PDF in the description I have shared to you. If you enjoy the speak method, hit the like button so I know I make more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Pim and I will see you in the next conversation. Bye!